I've spent nearly 30 years in the RV industry,
starting as a salesman and working my way through every position on the floor. Sales manager, finance manager, general manager, all the way up to director of operations for one of the largest RV dealership groups in Southern California. During those years, I watched the dealerships that truly succeeded. They were the ones that focused on genuinely engaging with their customers, understanding what a family actually needed, what they dreamed about, and helping them find the right RV that would create years of wonderful memories. That was always my philosophy. Put the customer first, treat them with respect, and the business takes care of itself. But over the years, I watched corporations take over the industry. They became completely disconnected from the customer experience. They stopped training people. Instead, they started hiring aggressive salespeople from car lots who only knew how to pressure and push. The entire experience went from something families looked forward to something they genuinely started dreading. Families would sit for hours in a stuffy finance office, restless kids running around, getting pressured into the wrong RV.
People were waiting hours in finance, getting pressured, and buying the wrong RV. It broke my heart.
Wrong RV by someone who didn't care. I knew there had to be a better way. That frustration, that broken experience, is exactly why I created RVFox. I built it to bring that original spirit back, where salespeople have the right information to actually help families instead of pressuring them. RVFox instantly delivers complete, accurate information, specifications, real market values, ratings, reviews, recalls, and owner complaints, all from just the year, make, and model. The Smart Finance Calculator is the most advanced tool ever built for the RV space. It calculates your true out-the-door price with precise taxes for your exact state, county, and city. It correctly handles trade-in tax rules that vary by state and compares real lender rates based on the customer's credit score. It can save buyers thousands of dollars. The RV Tow Guide is the most accurate towing calculator ever created, using real trim level data so you never make a dangerous mistake on the road. The RV Trips Guide provides intelligent RV-specific routing with critical height and clearance warnings so your journey is safe from start to finish. And RV Grok is our powerful AI assistant that answers any RV question instantly, the industry's first and most powerful tool of its kind. Instead of families sitting for hours getting pressured into the wrong RV, they can now get the right information quickly and confidently. They can walk out with the perfect coach and immediately start enjoying camping, laughing, and making memories that will last a lifetime. This is part of a reckoning in the RV industry. Buying a motorhome is going to be fun again for both the customer and the salesperson. Verified and true isn't just a slogan, it's personal to me.
Quickly and confidently, they can walk out with the perfect coach and immediately start enjoying the most wonderful experience of their lives, camping, laughing, making memories that will last a lifetime. This is part of a reckoning in the RV industry. Buying a motorhome is going to be fun again for both the customer and the salesperson. Verified and true isn't just a slogan, it's personal to me. I built this app so buyers can finally walk onto any lot with the same information the dealers have.
Here I come, here I come, here I come, here I come. Shadows creeping on the wall. Who is the fairest of them all? Broken dolls are on the floor. Don't you knock upon my door. 1, hold your breath. 2, scared to death.
Verified and true isn't just a slogan, it's my mission.
You hear the silence break. Every step you try to take.
This app was built to give buyers real confidence and verified information. That's why I had to do something about it. Answers any RV question instantly. This is part of a reckoning. It's a commitment I feel personally.